How do you folks do it? You know, just trying to push the edge of the envelope a little bit. We're talking about touch temperature, but all temperature is local. How small might a hot spot need to be before you say, we're going to ignore that, it's only so and so big? Or how transient, how short-lived might that transient, you know, be before you say, we're going to nip and tuck that, it's going to be okay? Anyone? No one wants to? Okay, Andy, you adjusted your glasses again. You're the man.
I need to clean them, I guess. We work with our compliance people for that. It's not really the thermal engineer by themselves. So when it gets to that point, then, like Gabriel said, it's the larger team that starts adding in there.
Do people guide the customers?
There's also always exceptions, right? When you're trying to ship a product, you always have this idiosyncrasies that he's talking about. I think that in the 90s, the Japanese were famous for these idiosyncrasies in cosmetics, and they started this trend, which today Apple perfected to no end. Like, there is always defects, but I can quantify it. I can accept only that much in that surface. It can occur so many times, and so on and so forth. So I think your question is, are we going to be able to do like a standard thing the same way, right? Can we really quantify or make it acceptable to people? And I think it's personal to every manufacturer how much of a threshold they can give, right? Allow themselves to give. Am I correct?
Yes, and I think it's going to vary between all situations. So I was wondering how different people approached it.
I believe that the more you have fame and want, the more you'll be allowed to have that more, right? Like, I think somebody who has an Apple phone will be more. I think Jay talked about. You're allowing your device to get hot because you like it, so you allow it to get hot. It's working for you, it's doing a lot for you, so you're understanding about it. It's okay. So it's very subjective, extremely subjective.